Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see to the right of me here, I've got a couple of boxes. That can only mean one thing. We've got a haul, you guys. So you can see that this top box is already opened. That's because I knew there was a whiff box in there. So I took that bad boy out and I already shared that with you. So if you missed that video, I will link that video down below. Definitely check it out. It is not something you want to miss out on this month, that is for sure. So let's go ahead and dive into the rest of my goodies. We've got, so this box is going to be items from the current catalog, and then I believe this larger box is actually my last order from January. So there may be some items in there that we can no longer get, but that's okay. At least I'm hoping that's what's in there because I'm needing it. Okay, so first thing we are going to talk about is a mini warmer. This one is not for myself. This is an order, but we are going to go ahead and open it up anyway because I want to show you. So this is the Buckaroo mini warmer. And for my friends who are into rodeos, or you just like that Western look here, you are going to really like this. So this is super cute. So this is, it's kind of a, like a, I guess you call this like a tan color. And then you've got this like barbed wire that is going all across the top and bottom. And then you've got your booking Bronco here. Super cool. So that is going to go to its forever home here shortly. And with all of our mini warmers, they will come with a base and a 15 watt bulb. So you will see, so this is the base here. So it'll always come with this. If you want to have like a smaller warmer to sit tabletop, you will need to purchase an additional tabletop base, but that is something that you can purchase separately. And then we've got our 15 watt bulb in there. And it will come with a little instruction sheet. So that's perfect. And now let's see what else we have here. We've got some bars. So we've got a bar of Strawberry Rose, which is the scent of the month for this month. I love this. I cannot say enough about this. This scent just rocks my world. It is so good. It's an authentic strawberry scent with just a little hint of floral on the back end. I don't find it to be rosy. Rosy to me is more, do you like how I'm calling roses rosy now? Rose to me is much more powdery. This is just, it almost gives it more of like, I don't want to call it earthy, but more of like a green almost element to the strawberry. I just love this so much. I can't get enough of it. So that is the scent of the month for this month. And then we have the scent of the month from last month, Inhale, Exhale. And then we have the scent of the month from August. This is Harbor's Edge, and this is still currently available. This is kind of a last call situation, you guys. So, and I know I had mentioned in, I think it was my What I Was Warming video, I think I had said you could not add this to your Scentsy Club because at the time you couldn't, but you can now. So it has opened up. So if you did miss out on this and you want to add it to your Scentsy Club, absolutely add this to your Scentsy Club before it goes away because this is, oh, it's so good. So I've got those three bars for him. And then I'm really excited about this. I've got a Laundry Love bundle in the brand new scent Pink Cotton. So excited about this. Scentsy did not make a scent soft. That is our softener in Pink Cotton. So what I decided to do was get the scent soft in Lavender Cotton. So I think I feel like these scents will complement each other fine. So Got that in the Scent Soft. And then the Laundry Love bundle includes the laundry liquid. This takes place of your detergent. And then we've got 2 packs of dryer discs. And we have our Washer Whiffs tub in pink cotton. So I'm really, really excited to give this scent a try because I love this scent. So I feel like it's gonna be really, really nice in the laundry line. So I'm excited for that. We've got that. Okay, so that is box number 1. Now box number 2, the larger box. Lots of packing. Tons and tons and tons of packing paper. And we have more laundry stuff. Apparently we've been doing a ton of laundry. So I think I'm giving something a try here. I still really like the Laundry Love bundle, but per my husband's request, we're giving something a little try here. So there are bundle and saves for the laundry liquid. So if you want to do like 3 laundry liquids together, you can. It gives you a little bit of a reduced price. So I've got 3 laundry liquids in Amazon Rain. This is his favorite laundry scent. We both agree that the towels and the bedding is best in jammy time. And then when it comes to clothes, he prefers Amazon Rain. And then I usually prefer lavender cotton, but we'll see what my thoughts are on pink cotton. So I've got 3 of those. I grabbed 3 of these. It was another bundle and save of the Amazon Rain dryer discs. So I've got those. And then just a smaller size of the Amazon Rain washer whiffs because we're doing okay on the washer whiffs. When I use the products, the Laundry Love bundle all runs out at the same time, but he doesn't use as much of the washer whiffs as I do. So the washer whiffs tend to last a little bit longer for him. So I just figure I will add these to the current tub. We'll see. I'm just so thankful that he likes doing laundry too. Okay, and now I've got a pack. I've actually got 2 packs of catalogs. I went ahead and added the catalogs to my party order. If you are a consultant yourself, if you need some of the business supplies from the consultant store, we don't earn commission on these items, but if you have free shipping or you've got the reduced party shipping, take advantage of that and add catalogs or order forms or testers, whatever you need from the consultant store. Not everything can be added to a party, but majority of things can. So things like catalogs and stuff, totally add that into your party order and then get it shipped at the same time as your party items. And then I've got another bundle of the satin sheets. This is a part of the Valentine's collection. And so I got the satin sheets, body wash, and body cream. Oh man, this is so good, you guys. I love this stuff. It is so, so good. I have yet to break out the body wash, but the body cream is so good. Love, love, love this. So got that bundle. And then I've got some more scent circles here. So we've got a scent circle and prickly pear and agave, churro churro, sugared strawberry, coconut lemongrass. I love with some of these, I don't know if you're even going to be able to see, but some of these have a little like design on the back. So with coconut lemongrass on the other side, it says when life gives you lemongrass. I don't know if you can see that. It does. It has a little design on the other side with coconut lemongrass, vanilla bean buttercream, Luna, black raspberry vanilla, and Amazon Rain, I think. I think those are the only ones. Lavender cotton, apricot vanilla, blue grotto, go-go mango, by the sea. Here's a black raspberry vanilla. 2 black raspberry vanillas. So on the other side of this one, I think you are very special. So 2 of those, and then 2 Luna. And then Luna on the other side has Shoot for the Moon. So that's kind of cool. I actually prefer, well, you know, I'm pretty impressed with majority of these scent circles. They do relatively well. I prefer, for my car, I prefer the car bars, but my husband prefers scent circles, and I like to just have some scent circles on hand. If I'm in a pinch and I need it really quickly, then I can just grab it. So I like to have like a super good like assortment of these scent circles. So I've got those. And then I've got another pack of catalogs. I picked up a couple packs. I didn't really need them, but they were on sale. They're not super expensive, but they were $2 off at the time. So when they are on sale for consultants, I like to stock up on them. So that way, hopefully as many as I purchase will get me through the season. I may need to pick up another pack or two, but I picked up quite a few. So that should get me hopefully through majority of the season. So we shall see. I picked up 2 hand creams. I love these hand creams so much. These are perfect size. Here's the thing. So here's the size of the body cream. This is 8 ounces, and then the hand cream is 2.7 ounces. It's the same exact formulation of product, but it's just a size difference. So the body cream is a larger size, the hand cream is the smaller size. So the smaller size is much more compact, as you can see, easier to throw into your purse, your backpack, throw in a drawer, just have super handy. So that's the difference. So I grabbed one in Go-Go Mango and one in Pink Cotton as well. Looks like I am on the Pink Cotton train for sure. Love it. So, and then I grabbed a pod pack of my beloved Winterberry apple tea. This one you can no longer get. I'm sorry. Oh, it's so good. I still have this going in my wall fan diffuser. Oh, it's so good. Oh man, that's so good. Love Winterberry apple tea. I hope you had a chance to add your Winterberry apple tea bars to your Scentsy club. If you had pods or any other like type of product that was discontinued, those items were removed from your Scentsy club. The only thing that stays in your Scentsy club are the bars. Anything else that gets retired is removed. So womp womp. Okay. And then last but not least, I grabbed 2 last bath bombs. I'm so sad. So I grabbed a bath bomb of Pink Cotton, of course, and Blue Grotto. That is it for the bath bombs. I'm crossing my fingers, toes, and eyes that they will show up in the clearance section. Generally speaking, Scentsy will update the clearance section next month. So sometime in March, hopefully, is when they will update the clearance section and they will add new products and things like that. There's still quite a few products that are in there. There's warmers in there, there's premium diffuser shades, there's all kinds of stuff. So definitely check that out. No bath bombs in there just yet, but here's hoping some of them will be added because I would happily stock up, especially at a discounted price. So grabbed those. So that was a pretty healthy haul for the first few days into February. I know a lot of this was actually from my last order in January, but I love getting big old boxes filled with product. It makes my heart so happy. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.